Alright, I'm going to show you how to use the Task Manager and also how to set your weather up. Alright, I went ahead and did that. I'm going to click here, click the preview. This should come up, this twirling. Don't forget, this is the preview version of Windows 8, so all this stuff is application preview. So I already have my local city set up on this, but what I did first was I set up a wrong, I set up London. All right. So what I want to do is I right-clicked and I click on places. Right, and I'm going to add London. Okay. Yeah, we'll do Kentucky. Okay, there we go. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this. I'm going to right-click, and I'm going to put this as default. All right. So right now, what's happened is I have the wrong one. Let's say I put that in first, and then I'm going to go back. Right now, what it says, that's not my area. That's London, Kentucky, 73. Boy, I wish it was 73 outside right now. But I say, oh, wow, I made the wrong mistake. So I want to go back in here, and I want to right-click, Places. And you're going to right-click on your current one, or add your current one. And actually, I say it's 73 and clear right now, same temperature, but our humidity is way up there. Anyway, I want to right-click and the check's in the box. I'm going to set this as a default, and then I'm going to right-click on this because it's the wrong one in there, and I'm going to hit remove. So now my current location is in here. So what I'm doing is I'm going to go back now. Okay, I'm using the mouse now instead of the touch screen to show you how to get around. I'm taking the mouse and I'm bringing it all the way to the right, and I'm clicking. Up there somewhere it's going to come in. All right. There we are. Okay. So I want to do that again because that didn't quite come on. Okay. Count open. Okay. Close. Not open. They wanted screen resolution to be changed. Let's see. Your resolution is lower than. All right. So it has to be higher. 21. Okay, so let's make this a little bit higher. 24. All right, this is showing you how to change the screen resolution. I'm going to hit OK and OK. Keep the changes, and I'm going to go back to my area. Now I'm going to go up here. There. Okay, I just saw it. Yeah, with the mouse, it's not as user friendly. Okay, here we go. All right, so I just find using touchscreen is a lot easier to do this. I'm going to go in and do some applications before we get to the Task Manager because we have to build up some things in the Task Manager. I'm going to go to Internet Explorer. I'm going to install Google Chrome on this already. We're going to go to Profile Facebook. I don't want to go to Profile. Let's go to my business site. www.qpcr.biz. I want to show you something else too. I have a video on that's on YouTube in my site, and someday Flash Player will be working, and you'll be able to see the video. All right, so I'm going to hit some links, and these are also videos down here. That works though. That's the speed test on my website. You can go there and check the speed of your internet. Anyway, I'm going to. See, I can't even scroll. I'm going to touch the screen to move back and forth. Okay, so let's go into there. I don't want to do anything there. So I'm actually using my finger now to move around. All right, I'm going to come back up here. Just put my mouse over this area. See, I'm having a hard time getting that thing to come out to actually exit this. So I'm going to use my finger and go back to the Start menu. So now. In the background, right-click and go to Apps. We're going to go to the Task Manager now. It's over here to the Task Manager. Click on that. You come to the Windows default screen. Some people like this. All right, and there's weather and there's internet. So we have more details in here. We'll see what the memory is and everything that's being used in here. Okay. Even though you close a window, you exit out of a window, go to the main thing, it's still running in the background. So this Internet Explorer is still running in the back. The weather is running in the back. And if you really don't want those running, then you can always end them. All right. But there's a lot of other things that are running in the back of your system and all that. I suggest you be careful. You don't want to close down system. You probably just close down Windows. All right, but these are the applications that you want to actually. So if you're not using Internet Explorer anymore, highlight that. Okay, and you can actually end the task. I'm right-clicking. Okay, and end task. So once you end task, it's gone. And you can do that with everything. Whether I'm going to end that task, let's see now. When I end this task, weather's gone. So I'm going to close this now, and I'm going to go back to just use my mouse to get to here. So that worked out. Let's see if weather is still on there. Weather's still there. Okay, so it hasn't changed. All right, and you know, Facebook's still scrolling around. There's nothing in Taskmaster about Facebook. And here's my desktop. I can either go to right-click apps, or I can click in here, and it brings me right back here again. All right, and then you can do Internet Explorer from here. This is the old. I'm going to just close it. But this looks like the old Windows. I like the old Windows to a point, but I just see, once again, I can't get that stinking bar out. Use my finger and end task. All right, so hopefully in the paid version, when this thing comes out, all the little glitches that I'm coming across is going to work out. Anyway, I hope you find this helpful. I showed you how to set up the weather. All right, and actually, if you grab this, you can see all them, and you could actually move things around, which is nice. If you want to put the store over here, yeah, a little extra hint for you how to move things around in here. I may want this to be on the bottom. Anyway, we covered the weather, how to set that up, your default weather in there, and the task manager. Hope you like it. I can get really carried away here, so I hope I don't do that to you and bore you to death. So give me any suggestions you want. All right, take care. Bye.